When I was in high school, I went plant-based, and I realized that a lot of what we think is normal really is only because of conditioning. And so with this realization, I've been able to tap into my plant-based medicines even deeper to unplug the programming and transition to a more natural focused way of living. It was only because I stayed so committed to this diet that I was able to unlock new realms and new levels for myself. And I want you to experience that with me here at Melanatural. Here at Melanatural, we focus on what's real. We focus on plants. We focus on compassion. The government has a hand in everything that we do because we are more than willing to deny nature. I created Melanatural to give you a resource to make your plant-based journey easier than it was for me. I didn't have, all the fake cheeses and the fake meats and the fake dairy products. I didn't have any of that. I just had lentils and beans and rice, everything that I can grow. But I feel like that helped me center in what's real so that once all these, artificial products started coming out, I could taste and, see, okay, I'm not really fucking with it, but, it's a cute little, accessory to what's real. But I realized that people, they really don't know what they don't know. And even if they know something, it's not even guaranteed to be true. I recently finished this book on forest bathing that I'll have in my description box, but it's helped me develop my relationship with nature outside of just eating plants. I've been using AI to identify plants and trees. Oh shit, that hurt. I just got fucking pricked by this storm. For example, I found pokeweed in my neighborhood. I found that it has berries, but it's poisonous. The tree of heaven, I made a video about that and showed y'all. So it's just been so fun to not only experience the nutrients of fruits and vegetables, but to go outside and immerse myself. But it started with my diet. So how beautiful is it that we can go from the kitchen and then go outside? It's all interconnected. It's like we're remembering what we're a part of. I realize that capitalism tends to make everybody hypocritical at some point because convenience is like the enemy. Convenience is a cheat code, but it gets in our own way because we become dependent. So we're really cheating ourselves. And if I close my eyes and my mind takes me back to high school and I go to the cafeteria where everything was like a production line, okay, it was like the chum bucket, it makes sense why people are so trained to not know what real food is. Vegans, y'all ever ask yourself, why do y'all care so much? Why do you care about animals that you don't see? You may feel like a douchebag for asking yourself that. I feel like our hearts and our minds don't go together. I feel like it's a lifelong journey to align yourself, mind, body, and soul, because it's all all over the place. So I realized the true power in my plant-based journey that I realized, which is also the same as my spiritual journey. Me resting in peace, not caring about shit. Me existing in that, that's the control panel. I'm the motherfucking boss behind the scenes making moves because I exist in my peace, which doesn't have to be separate from my everyday reality. The moment I wake up, the moment I'm in the kingdom of motherfucking heaven, bitch, I can motherfucking cuss. I'm in nature. I'm omitting sound. Y'all can't take my frequency. This is my shit. Wow, that felt so good. I am 26, y'all. I am 26. 20 motherfucking says I am grown. Do you know how long I waited to be an adult? 21 years. I'm gonna retire this mind and I'm just, gonna go with them geese. We're gonna go with them geese. Going plant-based taught me the value of suffering. And I did run track in high school, so I do feel like this played a part in it too. The longer you stay on it, even though you don't want to, the more lessons you're gonna learn. That then turns into tools. So for example, you don't like going to your job. You now have a smoothie recipe to help you get through it all. Would you put diesel in a car that requires regular gas? You're curated by the curator, so you're actually diesel putting standard in. You're eating mediocre. Why are you putting AI chicken breast with the Parmesan and the marinara sauce on your dinner plate? You're putting mediocre gasoline in a premium machine. And then the world wonders why we're running crazy. Standard oil in the premium machine. And so that leads me into the next thing that plant-based eating taught me. It taught me how to discern real from fake. We can rewrite the narrative to enjoy cleansing our bodies. We can have fun. It's fun to heal your body. And I feel like we don't see that enough, I guess, in the media. Marketing is so powerful. You know, we don't see commercials of people juicing or making smoothies and dancing and laughing. I mean, I get a Vitamix commercial every now and then. I get a Blend Tech commercial like once every 2 years, but I'm talking about every day. Like you're not gonna turn on a Super Bowl and have a bunch of alkaline vegans. Plant-based living can be equally marketed as a fun, healthy lifestyle. Not shoving your beliefs down non-human animals' throats can be healthy and fun.
It also taught me you can get really nice skin. Everybody's always talking about my skin. I don't use much. All I use is black soap and the juice from 10,000 locusts. Listen, the more fiber you eat, it's going to cleanse out your digestive tract, which is then going to aid your skin health. So all of that, you know, acne, I have a friend who has eczema. People don't listen to me. Like, they really don't listen to me. They always like, they'll say, okay, I get it. They're for it. They're for the message, but they think it's just supporting me. And I'm like, I'm literally telling you this so you can help yourself, bro. And so I realized that this is the next thing I realized, perfect segue. I can lead a horse to water, but I can't make him drink. I can be up here on Melanatural. Listen, I could be up here on melanatural.com, juicing for your ass all day, making smoothies for your ass all day. But I can't make you make the juice. Watching is only one half of the process. That's how I started. You know, I bought the juicer, got the vegetables, and took it one step at a time. And y'all can do it too. I was watching people like me making juices and stuff. But I realized that I couldn't do that for long if I wanted to get their results. They was having the slim tight, you know what I'm saying? Slim trim, perfect body. They're doing it. They're doing the thing, and I know I can do it too if I just stay consistent. And so that's what y'all seeing. Y'all are seeing the manifestation of my consistency. And yeah, it's perfect divine timing. I also learned that people can come around eventually, which really surprised me. It's crazy to see someone who used to be opposed to what you were doing literally start asking you for tips. That got me into psychology. Like, I started studying psychology after that. How did you go from not wanting to try vegan meat to now having it for breakfast, lunch? Now, every time I see you, you got a Beyond Burger in your mouth. Every time I see you, every time I look at you, every time I call you, you're, hey, how you going? How are you doing? It's so good. You like it, but you hated it like 10 years ago. Okay. See how they switch up? See how they switch sides? That's why I say no new friends. That's it for today's video. Going forward, I do want to foster more community here at Melanatural. So be sure to subscribe below. Let me know what your favorite fruit is, what your favorite fruit smoothie is, and I will see you in my next video.